There are 6 hooks in total. Start by releasing the top hook. Insert a flathead screwdriver into the upper hook slot and gently pry it open. Push the screwdriver inward to create a gap. While holding the gap open with your finger, release one side hook. Then release the hook on the opposite side. If necessary, release the bottom hook as well. Disconnect the fan cable from the main board. Remove the screw at the center of the main board to separate it from the case. Pull up the connector cap on the Raspberry Pi module to open it. Position the main board so that the cable faces downward. Insert the cable into the connector in the same orientation as shown in the video. Close the connector cap after inserting the cable. Gently pull the cable to ensure it is securely connected. Carefully raise the module, making sure the cable is not folded. Align the module properly with the main board connector and insert it. Push it in all the way so that there is no gap. Check that the module and main board are assembled correctly. Also check that the cable is connected properly. Place the assembled main board with the module into the bottom case. Make sure the main board is seated correctly in position. Fasten the screw at the center of the main board. Check once again that everything is assembled properly. Connect the fan cable from the top case to the main board. Carefully place the top case while paying attention to the fan cable. Assemble it slowly while looking inside through the front opening of the top case. The module will slide into place along the inner guide. If the position is correct, all hooks will click into place at the same time. If the hooks do not fit in naturally, disassemble it again, check the problem carefully, and then reassemble it.